In this video, you will see me react, as well as showing you references from Christian prints on your screen.
So you can get the blonde girls. Is those the criminals? Huh?
Hello, CP.
Hey Faris, how are you?
I'm doing good. What about you?
How's your dad doing?
Alhamdulillah.
How many wives your dad he have, Faris?
Only one.
Why? What happened? He don't like the Islam?
What? No, it's an optional thing. It's a you
What
can
optional?
marry up to 4.
No. It doesn't say it's an option, my friend. It says go and F2 and 3 and 4, and if you cannot afford it, you go for 1.
Let me tell you again.
No. The verse in the front of us, it says go and F2 and 3 and 4, and if you cannot afford it, 1.
Okay.
Am I lying? I'm
I'll
lying.
give you the time.
Am I lying?
I'm very swiftly.
Okay, hold on.
I don't want to make it like the last time.
Okay.
So you can close
I don't
it
care.
and
Last
close
time, first time, I don't care, my friend. Go ahead. I'm listening.
Thank you so much. In that verse, it's a fankihu ma taba lakum, ma taba lakum. It's not say go and you must do it. Ma taba lakum. مثنى وثلاث ورباع فإن خفتم ألا تعدلوا فواحدة. It means you can marry women up to like 2, 3, 4, but if you cannot make justice, you see there's a condition also. You cannot make justice, marry only 1. So what do you want? And also CP, it's a solution for the Christians. You can go ahead. Thank you so much for giving me the time.
Thank you, Faris. Say hi to your dad, please. Faris, you just said that you can go and F2 and 3 and 4. Why your God did not say go and start with F in 1 and then you can afford it, you go for 2? Why he start with the number 2?
Again, I couldn't hear you really. Your voice is cutting a little bit.
Guys, is my voice cutting?
Yes, not good today.
It doesn't make sense because if your voice coming good to me,
go ahead.
Because it's same connection.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Go.
Hello.
Go ahead, please.
It's me you're looking for. Yeah, listen. In the Quran, in front of us, it says, فانكحوا ما طاب لكم من النساء مثنى. No, my friend, you see, your Quran never was having that tashkil. You don't even have a dot. So don't tell me. Don't go there. No. مثنى, my friend. No, it is. There's nothing in Islam. It's called فانكح. How you can inkihu? What fankihu? Where is knee? Where is the knee?
Wait, you don't know there's a lot of Arabic grammar.
No. Okay. Abdul, listen. Does it say? Does he say? Does he stay?
Go ahead.
Does he start with? Does he start with 2?
It's optional. You can.
No. Does he start with 2? Either you say yes or you say no. Does it start with 2? You go and you F2 and 3 and 4, and then if you cannot afford, you F1. Yes or no?
You see. I don't know. Really, it's about the condition. You see, there's a condition.
Why you don't answer? You know, I did listen to you. I allow you to talk. Does it say start with 2? Yes or no?
Yes, it says.
Okay.
2,
why
3,
he said?
4.
Why he said it start with 2? You F2 and 3 and 4, and if you cannot afford it,
up to 2, 3, 4.
No, it doesn't say you can marry. First of all, where is the word marry? Where is the word marry?
Where's what really your connection?
Where is the word get married?
Get married. Thank you.
The inkihu.
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
My friend, the word nukah means
nikah. Yeah, I know what that. You see, before that coming nikah also.
What nikah mean? Is it really a marriage or it is the F word?
You see, CP.
Is it the F word? Be honest. Is it the? I can get you busted. I can show the Islamic definition for nikah.
I've never been busted. The thing, if I don't know, I will admit it. I don't know.
Don't tell me you do not know. A second ago, you were trying to correct my Arabic, and now you do not know.
Yeah, I'm gonna correct your Arabic. You see, the thing that
you don't know Arabic to correct me. Your Arabic is fine. Let me ask you. Look, okay, let me ask you. Okay, listen. You speak Arabic, right? Okay, hold on. Okay. Do you speak Arabic very well?
Wait a minute.
Do you speak Arabic very well?
Hello? Go. I cannot hear you really today.
Do you speak Arabic very well?
Do I speak what?
Arabic.
Arabic? Yes. Alhamdulillah.
All right, that's
I
wonderful.
believe I can speak more than you, because the thing is, whenever you're reading, you're making a lot of
my
mistakes.
friend. Okay.
Mm.
I want to write a word for you now in the screen, and I want you to tell me if it's correct or not.
I don't have the word. CP, should I press? I mean, you in the Skype.
Okay, let me ask you, if I write the word musaitir, I write it with sad or sin?
It's also, you see, about that, it's coming also musaitir bisad, not with the sin. But in some, there is also in the verse in the Quran also, it comes. There's sometimes also
no, hold on. How the same word is written in different way if it is the same word? What happened, obviously, what happened, come on, if you go to school and you write it with a sad, they will give you 0. But because it is in the Quran now, you are ashamed to say that this is a stupid error and a stupid mistake, right?
You're stupid, but go ahead.
Well, how it going to be? Either musaitir with sin or musaitir with sad. It can't be both.
It's coming a lot. You see, CP, there's a lot of condition. The thing is, you did not study Arabic, neither I. You see, we know that.
What do you mean I don't study? How you know I didn't study Arabic? How you know?
I'm sure, wallah, you see, 100% sure there are a lot of grammars. Based on your reading, whenever you read the verse, I have noticed a lot of mistakes, really. I have noticed.
Man.
You did not
Okay, let me ask you. In the Al-Fatiha, when you say Ahdina as-sirat al-mustaqim, is it sirat or dhirat? Is it sirat or dhirat?
Again.
Is it sirat or dhirat? Or dhurat?
There is no.
So what dhurat mean? What dhurat mean? What dhurat mean? Dhurat.
Dhurat? I don't know. This is a new word.
What do you mean you didn't know? I show you that you are saying, you are claiming you speak Arabic and you want to correct me in Arabic, but you do not know what dhurat means. Dhurat means farting.
You see, dhurat in the Arabic.
Abdul, dhurat, yes.
There is no such a verse. Okay, is the verse is astaghfirullah. Let's go point by point.
Okay, so is it surat or dhirat?
It is written again. I cannot hear you.
I'm asking you, is it why you don't tell me what the answer? Is it dhurat, which means farting, and this is the chapter of Al-Fatiha, or it is?
It is a sirat. Sirat means what Hakam says. A sirat it is. There is a way, it means.
Okay.
You see, in the hell, in the judgment day, there will be some kind we call it a sirat. People will cross it.
Okay, so it's wrong. So it's wrong to say zirat.
I cannot hear you really. I said that it is a sirat. Why are you bringing the word of dhirat?
I'm asking you, is it wrong to say zurat?
Yes, I mean you're.
Okay.
I mean,
so why you Muslims you can go right now and listen to the recitation of a Sheikh Abdullah al-Shanqiti, and you will see he is reciting it with dhurat, which means farting.
Which give me the name of the Sheikh, please.
He's dead. You wanna call him? Do you wanna call him? Hello? 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 What happened, guys? Is my voice coming? Do you see how stupid they play the game of Arabic, but you know they play it with an American. Even with me, do you want to play it?
No.
Yeah, what happened to you? Okay, listen.
No, there is a connection. I don't know really.
So I'm glad that you admitted that the word zirat is wrong, right? Zirat is wrong. And you said that.
Wait,
everybody heard you.
I will recall you. There is lightning.
Okay, call me back. No problem.
CP, I will recall you. There's something wrong with my phone.
No problem. Call me. Sure. Go ahead.
I'm trying to run.
Okay, no problem.
I'm the legend. I have become the super legend.
Okay.
I'm not going to run. Just give me a second.
No problem. Thank you, Abdul. You see, you open the topic of Arabic, you have to face it. It's your choice. You believe it? They are saying to their God, guide us to farting. Okay, Faris.
Hello, yeah.
All right. I want to right now. Do you have internet there?
You said where were we? We were
Okay.
about
The reading of Hamza, the recitation of the Hamza. You know the Quran have many recitation, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Almost,
Have you ever heard of the recitation of Hamza?
Again, wallahi, I'm not trying to.
Okay. Have you ever heard the recitation of Warsh?
No, I have not.
You never. Okay. Look like you are a Muslim from the flea market. So if you go and see the recitation, they say Ahdina Ziratul Mustaqim. My friend, you can go right now. Search it. Abdul, you can go. Don't waste my time, please. Okay. So why you don't go right now? You are in the internet. You have internet, and the proof you have internet. You are talking to me. Why you don't search for it? It says Ahdina Ziratul Mustaqim.
Let's make it question by question.
My friend, this is a question by question. This is a question by question. How the word sirat became zirat?
It is. Like I said it to you, and I will say it again. It is reading as as-sirat.
So how it became zirat? How it became farting?
You see, I don't know who's the one who that's saying.
You Muslims fart. Okay, this is me. You Muslims, you fart a lot. I don't know who is there. You are asking me. I told you the reading of Hamza. I told you this is very famous. This is a famous recitation, my friend. Ahdina Zirat al-Mustaqim. And actually, here we go. Let me show you. This is a.
Here's the thing.
My friend. This is your Muslim website. Are you looking at the screen? Are you looking at the screen?
It is lagging in my side, but go ahead. I will do my best.
Okay.
Go ahead.
It says Surah Al-Fatiha يقول أهدنا الصراط وليس الصراط. Do you see it?
Where? Can you show it? There is lagging, or I cannot see it.
I'm showing it in the screen.
Nothing appears in my screen. Maybe it's I have lagging. But you read. You see, the thing is, like I said.
And then he says, ضراط. And then he says, ضراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. Okay. And then he says, ضراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. ضراط. How sirat became zirat? Do you Muslims asking Allah to guide you for farting? What zirat mean? Correct me, please. I learn from you.
Like I said, wait. The thing is, I cannot hear it properly. I'm not trying to.
I don't know why this guy he cannot hear me properly. I mean, what's wrong with you?
The thing is, you're also repeating about the drat. I don't know what. Like I said to you, it is not reading as you're saying.
Abdul, what do you mean reading as you're saying? I'm reading it as I'm saying. Here we go. This is the book of الضياء الشمسي على الفتح القدسي. Are you there?
No, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Is it dirat or sirat?
In the first chapter in the Fatiha?
Yes,
yeah.
Sirat. So why you Muslims are saying dirat or durat?
Who said that?
I'm showing you. My friend, I'm showing you. Here we go. Read with me. Is the screen is the screen appearing for you?
No, nothing appears on my screen. I'm not trying to or anything, but nothing appears.
Everybody can see the screen. How come you cannot see it? Why you cannot see it? The book of الضياء الشمسي على الفتح القدسي شرح ورد السحر للبكري, the Imam al-Bakri, very number 1 and 2. It says ويجمع ضرات وصراط الذين أنعمت عليهم بدلا من الأول بدلا من etc. And then he says and he explained why it's ضرات. So you Muslims, you are asking Allah to guide you for farting. Hello?
The connection is really clear. I'm not trying to run or anything.
No problem. I understand. I can tell you have a weak internet. No problem. You see here it says وقرأ خلاد عن حمزة ضرات. Do you see it?
Let me check. Really, I hope it just appears at the screen. Oh, go ahead. Yeah, I can see something.
Okay. Do you see the word زرات?
التحليل اللغوي اهدنا الصراط. Hello?
Yeah, so how صراط became زرات?
Click it.
My friend, we click it, no problem, my friend, we click it, here we go. Bingo, we click it. Abdul, we click it, my friend, we click it, the whole, here we go. This is the study. التحليل اللغوي في سورة الفاتحة. This is a professional, his name is Shakir التميمي. He's explaining to you.
He's reading وقرأ خلال عن حمزة زراط, not
زرات. Let me teach you Arabic. It's not زراط.
There's difference between زراط and زراط.
What زراط? What does زراط mean?
You see, like you said, and we both.
My friend, what زراط? Don't tell me we both. What زراط mean?
I don't know, but maybe it's a recitation.
Okay, so what is the word farting? What is the word farting? Can you tell me? زراط. زراط is زراط farting? Yes or no?
You see,
is the word زراط farting? Yes or no?
Wait, can you repeat, please?
Yeah, is the word زراط farting? Yes or no? Thank you. Here we go. This is the book. Read with me, please. Here we go. It says, وهي الثابتة في الإمام ويجمع ضرات. It is ضرات.
Can you,
the book name الضياء الشمسي على الفتح القدسي شرح ورد السحر للبكري, volume number 1, page number 1 and 2. You see what's wrong with you or section? So ويجمع ضرات الجمع فيها ضرات. So you Muslims asking Allah to guide you for farting?
No, astaghfirullah.
So you are the one who told me ضرات. You are the one who told me. I asked you later, what ضرات mean? You said to me farting.
Different. You see, are you aware of the letter Bat and Za?
My friend, I am aware. I asked you. You said to me. I asked you what ضرات mean. You said farting. Is it you who said to me? Is it you who said to me a second ago? Is it you? Is Abdul? Isn't it you a second ago?
Here's the thing.
Here's the thing. You are doing too much farting. Isn't you who said? Isn't you who said to me? What? Listen, Faris. Isn't it you who said to me a second ago? I asked you what ضرات mean. You said to me farting.
Yes.
Okay. Isn't in front of you on the screen says? Isn't it in front of you on the screen saying your scholar saying that it is ضرات?
I have seen it. Look, there is nothing. You see, anyhow.
Abdul, here we go. I zoom more. I'm zooming more. Don't tell me click it. You can click it yourself. This is the name of the book.
You see, you're always referring to the Google. Anyone can change anything about the Google.
My friend, what Google? This is Google show you part of what is in the page. Give you a summary based on your research. When you search for a word.
In my entire, we see about the Surah Al-Fatiha, we repeat it like 100 times in one day. Okay, no one in my entire life saying what you are saying. It's the same.
Who care? Who care? I'm here to get Islam busted. That's why you Muslim. You keep saying to me, we never heard this before. Who care?
No one.
My friend. Who care? Who care if you heard it before or not?
Will be better for
who care if you heard it before or not? You are talking to me because you never heard it, and I am showing it to you in the screen, so you cannot say to me I'm lying.
No, I did not say you're lying, but the thing is like this, like I said, in my entire life, 25 years ago, 25 years ago, I have never heard anyone saying like that. I don't know.
I'm not even the one who's saying that, my friend. It's not me who's saying that. I'm showing you your scholar saying that. That's not my problem, my friend.
No one have ever heard them.
Hold on, you never heard of recitation of Hamza?
Or someone is a scholar? No, he just another.
You never heard of recitation? Okay, let me ask you another question. Forget about Durat. All right?
Yeah.
Forget about Durat. I have another question for you. I don't want to talk about Durat no more. I'm sick of farting, please. The people, they are complaining even from the smell. Let us see here. Okay. The Quran says, Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar. Is that correct?
Inna a'tainaka al-kawthar, yes.
Okay. Is it a'tainaka or intainaka?
Again, can you repeat?
Is it a'tainaka or intainaka?
Not inti. A'tainaka. But
Okay,
you see,
okay,
let me
thank you.
clarify.
So guys, he
Wait,
said
wait.
the correct one is أعطيناك. So how you
Yeah,
explain to
أعطيناك.
me, how you explain to me it says انطيناك?
I didn't say انطيناك. I said أعطيناك.
My friend, read it. Okay, I know you said أعطيناك. The correct one is
There
أعطيناك.
is
My friend,
seven.
it's in the
Let me
front of
finish.
your eyes. It's in the front of your eyes. Here we
I will
go.
give you the time, but please do not interrupt. If you interrupt, I will interrupt. This is
I
my
don't care
rule.
if you here we have a crossfire talk. Read with me.
I don't care
Does it
also.
say وإنا
I-
انطيناك الكوثر? Yes or no?
There are okay. Once you finish, that's good. You see, the most common thing is say أعطيناك. There are like 7 readings or 6 rather.
Okay.
I cannot recall it.
Hmm.
It's like you see in the first chapter. Maliki Yawmiddin, it also said Maliki Yawmiddin.
Is that mistake?
It's also reading.
Is that a mistake?
You see, no, it's
There's a huge difference between Malik and Malik.
Maliki or Maliki, same. You see,
No. Malik is the king of the day of judgment. Malik is the one who owns it.
Maliki or Maliki.
No, my friend. No, my friend. No, my friend.
Like I said,
You see? So you Muslims, listen what happened. Let me explain, guys, what happened. The Abdul, Muhammad, he is a false prophet. Each time he recite a Quran, he say it wrong. So the Muslim, they say to him, why you keep saying different story each time we listen to you? Actually, there's a story about 2 guys were fighting about how to recite it. And even Omar, he grabbed them and he took them to Muhammad. He said, look at those guys. Each one of them, he said the Quran differently. So Muhammad, he said to the first one, okay, you recite first. Recite it. He said, okay, he said to him, you are right. The second one, recited. He recited. He said to him, you are right. So they said to him, so how they can be both right? He said, Allah, he sent me the Quran in 7 letters.
Like I said,
why Allah sent the Quran, Faris? Why Allah he sent the Quran in 7? Why Allah sent the Quran in 7 readings, including 14? Why Allah?
7 readings, but you see, the most common thing. Like,
so Allah he decided to say to you, seek the 14 of Allah. This is a reading of Allah.
You also you see, this is the problem that no one has ever heard about you, and no one also tried to debate with you because you're rude. Anyhow.
My friend, it's in front of you. Read with me. Okay, can Muslims be Muslims with one Quran? Yes or no?
Can you repeat? Really,
can the Muslims be Muslims if they have only one Quran? Can Islam establish if there is only one reading of the Quran?
Who said there is different Quran?
So no. My question is very simple. Focus with me, Faris. Can you, as a Muslim, be as a Muslim if there is only one reading for the Quran?
Yes.
Okay, guys, did he say yes? Did he say yes, Mr. Faris? Mr. Faris, he said yes. Okay, my friend,
give me the time to respond.
No problem. No. You respond already. You said yes. Here we go. You're a prophet. He said.
Yes, but there's something additional on this thing.
What additional?
Let me
what additional?
About one reading, it is the most common reading thing that I have known. About this, there are also different readings, but we are not, personally, I'm not aware of it.
My friend, this is not the question. Faris, this is not the question. The question is, can you be a Muslim if you are memorizing one reading? Can you be a Muslim if you know one reading?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, read with me. You're a prophet. He said it's impossible. Here we go. Allah has commanded Jibril. He came to Muhammad. Look with me on the screen, please, Faris. Allah has commanded you to recite to your people the Quran in one dialect, in one harf. Okay, and then Muhammad, he said, I ask from Allah burden and forgiveness. My people are not capable of doing it. So Muhammad saying that Muslims are not capable to be Muslims if they have only one Quran. Then Jibreel, read with me. Then he came back for the second time. Who? Jibreel, and he said to him, Allah has commanded you that you should recite the Quran to your people in 2 dialects. So now we have 2. Upon this, the Holy Messenger, Prophet said, again I said, I seek burden and forgiveness from Allah. My people, they are not be able to do so. So now you have 2 Quran. Still, Muhammad insists that this is impossible. And then Jibreel, he came for the 3rd time and said, Allah has commanded you to recite the Quran to your people 3 dialects. Upon this, the messenger of Allah said to him, I ask burden and forgiveness from Allah. My people would not be able to do so. And this is continue. This is drama continue. I will show you to you in Arabic. Hold on. I have to read in English first for those people who they are listening. So this is drama continue until Muhammad you received 7 Quran. So how you just said to me that you can be a Muslim if you have only 1 Quran when your prophet insists and asking Allah for forgiveness, asking for more Quran because it have to be 7, otherwise his people are a bunch of donkeys and they cannot understand 1 Quran.
You are donkey. Go ahead. Go to the Arabic.
Read with me. Read with me. فأتاه جبريل عليه السلام فقال إن الله يأمرك أن تقرأ أمتك القرآن على حرف فقال أسأل الله معافاته ومغفرته وإن أمتي لا تطيق ذلك.
I know, but you're 100% Arabic. Just show it to me in the screen. I've seen it in English. Go to the right. Let me see it.
I saw it. Hey, I'm showing it to you in Arabic. I'm reading it to you in Arabic, but you're not listening.
No, don't read it. I don't want you reading. Your reading is sadly poor.
Ah, okay. Because I'm from Pakistan.
إن الله يأمرك أن تقرأ.
It says there تقرأ. It says تقرأ. تقرأ. It says تقرأ.
You're skipping the shah. I cannot see it. Whether it's tashkil. Let me see.
It doesn't matter how you see it or not. It is not تقرأ. There's no in Arabic تقرأ. Continue.
تقرأ whatever. Let me tell you. فأتاه جبريل عليه السلام فقال إن الله. Don't skip it. Okay, you see the Prophet said, my nations cannot endure it. They're not able.
My friend,
so what's the problem?
What the problem? You are the one who said we can be Muslims with one Quran. You're a prophet. He said you cannot endure it. You see, guys, look at the. Shut up, guys. Look at the hypocrisy. A minute ago, he said 1 Quran is enough. He said 1 Quran.
I said the readings. He said about the reading. Don't say
this is reading, Abdul. He is asking for more reading. I ask you for more reading. I told you. Shut up, go. I have no time for kids. You see the hypocrites? Just now, because his prophet said they cannot do it, he changed his mind. He said, no, I did not say that. You said that. I said, is 1 Quran, reading 1 Quran is enough for you to be a Muslim? You said yes. And since you called me until now, we are talking about different reading for the Quran. So you know what we are talking about already. It's not a surprise.